back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Living Clutter Free. Guys, I'm super excited for this video. The weather is chilled. It feels so cozy outside and I just can't wait. We are going to be touring my house for the fall season. Yes, it's super exciting. That's why you see me with this beautiful fall blanket. It's actually a fall blanket that I'm sporting as a fall scarf, but I love the color on my skin. Anyways, we're not here for that, but we're here for fall, guys. Are you guys excited for the seasons coming up? The winter seasons, the holiday seasons. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. As I mentioned, here I show you guys how to live a simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If there's anything that interests you, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and be part of the family. Present yourself down the comment below. I would truly appreciate it. I love doing home decors, but guys, I live a very simple and minimalistic lifestyle here. So even though you're going to see lots of fall things, it's not going to be overwhelming. It's just the color. I'm bringing the outside color inside. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so we are starting with the front porch. My door needs a little repaint, but HOA here are crazy, so I'm not even going to bother with it until I'm all settled. But I just love the simplicity of the pumpkins. Usually I always have some mums, but they are literally all running out. All my stores are running out of mums. So let's go inside. It's my favorite part. So when you're in right by the front door, since it's very narrow, I always film from the outside. And I just love the simplicity of this decor right here with some pampas grass. And usually I have the light brown ones, but this time I decided to go with the pure brown ones, which makes it here feel very warm and cozy. And my little statue, and you're going to see that I added a lot of warm colors in my home. Instead of going with lots of pumpkins and things like that, I went with deeper colors with browns and little blacks. And yeah, let's go inside. You enter my home from the garage. This is what you see. Let's go closer. I really love this section of my home. It was very blank before until I placed this. It's a little corner. It helps me keep very organized, but we're not here for an organization tour. We're here for fall, and what I wanted to do here to make it feel very fallish is to add candle, and I've been burning this candle since last Christmas. It just smells so good. It's blackberry thyme. It just smells so good. If my camera can focus. Okay, and I love the peonies, the warmth color of them in the black vase. And as you guys will see, you will see this in the daytime as you're seeing. You'll also see it in the evening to see the warmth and the glow. If you hear any noise, it's my fireplace. It's actually on, so and it's very chilly, as you can see from the beginning of the video. But yeah, I added a little lamp right here just to add light and warmth. When it comes to fall, you want to make your place feel very cozy. So that's what I added it here. As you guys know, we practice minimalism here, so we don't have a lot of things. So on my chairs here, I don't have any pillows because I have my pillows on my couch, which I will show you guys. Okay, guys, let's go on the couch. And on my couch here, guys, oh my gosh, I just added this huge throw blanket. Beautiful. It's very fluffy. My kids love this so much. That's why I brought it down here so they won't steal it. Because if it's not styled somewhere, my kids will use it, sleep with it. So no. And this is my little love seat. I added those two mustard yellow pillows. And this is the new beauty in the house. I cannot wait to bring this to my dining table and style it for Thanksgiving styling. So stay tuned for that. I just love that. And the candle itself, it's from Amazon. It came with a pack of 10, I think, or 6 or something like that. And the candle holder is actually from Ross. Can you imagine it? It looks like H&M dupe. It's just so pretty to me. I just said, guys, you're going to see this in the nighttime. And yeah. This is the view when you come from the front door, and the other view was from the garage. Now let's go to my buffet table there and let's look at some fall decor. But I just love this. It's just so welcoming, in my opinion. It's just so pretty. Okay guys, so this is the view right here, and this console table, I'm obsessed with it. It hosts a lot of things, so it can help me. Camera is moving, sorry guys. It can help me keep my home organized. I just love it. And I went all white. Yes, white decors on the table, white lamps, white table, white books. I went all white because I have lots of different warmth color right here. So I literally wanted to keep this all white with the pop of yellowish orange. Oh my god, I just love that. It's like a little peekaboo peeking through right here. Just so pretty, in my opinion. Let's go into the kitchen, guys. There's literally not much in my kitchen. This is all the fall decor I have. Okay, better lighting. I have gathered just some books right here. Let's see, some of my favorite books right here. Let me see, there was one book that I wanted to share with you guys. There it is. It's the Mongolia story with Chip and Joanna Gaines. I love that book. It's in my kitchen over here. And for Christmas, I'm gonna replace this with cooking, what is it called, books, so that we can bake and things like that. And I just added these right here. I know it's not Christmas, but I love this. This smells so good with my candle. It smells delicious. And there are just some apples, and apples is for the season. It's for fall. And this is my kitchen. It's literally all. Guys, from the kitchen, this is the overview of the living room. Let's go upstairs. One of my favorite place ever. This is not fall related, but when you're upstairs and getting ready to go to the third floor, this is what you see. And I just love that. We are upstairs now, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I love this view. And the TV, it's crackling. And I'm gonna keep it that way because it sounds like a real fireplace, since I don't have a fireplace up here. Before we go into the living room, I want to show you guys my dining little corner right here. I added this what is it called, garland on top of the mirror, and this mirror is huge. It's from IKEA. I added a garland on top of it. Oh my god, I love that. With the simplicity of the 3 vases, and this is one of my favorite vases of them all. It's from Crate and Barrel. I just love that vase. Yeah, and just the simplicity of all the vases with the branching out of the what is it called, stem. It just looks so pretty. Let's go into the living room. So this is my family room. This is where we all come and gather after we finish eating downstairs and doing whatever. We come up here, watch TV. The TV downstairs is barely being watched, so I might have to sell that, and the hole that will be in the what is it called, TV stand or fireplace that I created, I might just have to put a mirror there because we don't watch it very much. We only watch this one, but hey, we shall see. But guys, I love these green chairs. I cannot wait to utilize them for Christmas. They're the perfect green shade, and they're velvet. Hung some throw blankets right here, white on top of the green, so that it can look a little bit, the contrast can show. Let's come closer to the candles. Here, guys, as you can see, we live in this house, so the candle is burning, which is draping on top of the candle holder, which is fine. It's actually perfect. It's a lived-in house. I do not want it to be a model home. But yeah, I love that. The black on black on the candle, very moody. Yeah. Let me put the volume down of this crackling TV. That's better. Now my, what is it called? Coffee table here. I draped some fur, what is it called? Fur throw on there. I just love the simplicity on here. I wish this was live so I can tell you guys, hey guys, is this blurry? Because if it's blurry, I can fix it, but it's not live. But it looks blurry to me. But I have bad eyesight, so it could just be my eyesight. But I just love that with candle, just the pop of color, and the bow with the bow filler on there. I just simplicity. And my couch just added some throw pillows on there, just simple and ready to go. So these are the throw pillows. I just wanted to come close a little bit for you guys. I am planning of selling this. I want to get something like the one I have right here, but a white one, just very low profile. This was downstairs prior, and I brought it up here, decluttered, removed everything that is over here, and just kept it very simple. I always tell you guys that in here we have movies, books for falls, for every seasons, and then a throw blanket to cover the mess that's underneath it. Yeah, and so this is another view. I'm literally standing on the edge of the stairs. So when you come up the stairs, this is what you see right here. And then when you go this way, this is what you see. As you can see, my dining table has nothing on there, and I love it that way. We don't want to keep anything that will be cluttered unless we are doing a tablescape, which stay tuned for that. Yeah, so this is the overview right there.